Welcome to Yvette Kitchen. Today I'm going to show you how you can make your picture frame beautiful, and you can also give them as gifts. Okay, so first, this is a silver trimming that I got from the trimming store. So what I do, I just cut them in strips and just place them alongside the frame. Okay, so what I do, I just put some glue, cross, okay, and I place alongside the frame. Okay, let's place the other one here. Okay, and it's all about the bling. Okay, so remember to ask for the trimmings with the bling. All right, so yeah, so you buy the plain frame, you just get this trimmings and just lay them out. All right. All right. Okay, so this is the finishing product. Very, very simple. So subscribe to my YouTube channel, Yvette Kitchen. Live, love, laugh, and enjoy your food.